Are you struggling to find the perfect solution for unexpected guests or limited space? Rollaway beds might just be the answer you've been searching for. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best rollaway beds on the market, showcasing options that combine comfort, convenience, and portability. Whether you need an extra sleeping space for family or friends, or simply want a versatile bed for your home office, we've got you covered. Join us as we delve into the top choices available, highlighting key features to consider and tips for making the most of your rollaway bed experience. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis and comparison tools on our website, TopPicksNow.com. Like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Ready for the listicle? Let's dive right in. Number 5. Linon Home Decor, our pick for best budget rollaway bed. If you're constantly navigating a busy social calendar, the Linon folding bed is an essential addition to your home. This versatile bed is perfect for unexpected guests or spontaneous sleepovers, eliminating the stress of accommodating extra friends. With a weight capacity of up to 275 pounds, you can confidently invite anyone over, no matter their sleeping preferences. Comfort is key, and the Linon folding bed doesn't skimp in that department. It features a plush mattress topped with 4 inches of memory foam, providing an inviting place for your loved ones to rest. The sturdy metal frame and wood slat supports ensure this bed is durable enough for any nighttime adventure. Ease of mobility is another standout feature. The included casters allow you to effortlessly move the bed wherever you need it, whether that's to the living room for a movie marathon or back to the closet when the night is over. When folded, the bed measures just 31.5 inches wide and 13.5 inches long, making storage uncomplicated and convenient. Setting it up is a breeze. No complicated instructions required. Whether you're hosting friends or treating yourself to a laid-back night, the Linon folding bed is the perfect solution for any scenario. Experience the combination of comfort and practicality firsthand, and say goodbye to the hassle of inadequate sleeping arrangements. Discover your new go-to for sleepovers and guest accommodations today. Number 4. Leisuit Fold-Out Cot, our pick for best lightweight rollaway bed. If you're in search of a portable bed that offers both comfort and convenience, look no further than the Leisuit Fold-Out Cot. Weighing less than 30 pounds, this cot is designed for those spontaneous sleepovers or family gatherings at the cabin, ensuring you and your guests have a restful place to sleep. Despite its lightweight construction, it can support up to 300 pounds, making it a reliable option for various users. You might be concerned about assembly, but there's no need to worry. This cot requires no tools. Within just a few minutes, you'll transform your space into a cozy sleeping area with little effort. The cot conveniently folds in half for easy transport, so you can take it wherever you go. Plus, the plush 3-inch memory foam mattress ensures a comfortable night's sleep. Keep in mind, though, that over time, the center of the mattress may develop a slight dip. If you plan on using this cot for regular sleep, that dip could affect your comfort level. When folded, the cot measures 37 by 31 by 6.7 inches, making it easy to store under your bed or in a closet. Whether you're an adventurous camper or simply need an extra bed for guests, the Leisuit Fold-Out Cot is your ideal companion. Embrace the comfort and convenience, and rest assured that you'll have the perfect solution for any unexpected sleeping needs. Number 3. LiteBed Folding Bed, our pick for best portable rollaway bed. If you're looking for a convenient sleeping solution for guests or your next adventure, this foldable bed can be a lifesaver. While it may not be the sturdiest option for everyday home use due to its lighter frame, it still offers reliability when needed most. With its slightly larger twin size and a comfortable 5-inch memory foam mattress, you can ensure a restful night's sleep accommodating up to 350 pounds. One of the standout features of this bed is its portability. Although it lacks wheels, this design choice contributes to its lightweight nature, making it easy for you to transport. Whether you're heading to a friend's house or setting up camp on a weekend getaway, the foldable bed collapses neatly into a storage bag with a convenient handle, allowing for effortless travel. When you need an extra sleeping space without the bulk, this foldable bed is a practical choice. With folded dimensions of just 38 by 5 by 39 inches and a manageable weight of 28 pounds, it can fit into tight spaces and be stored away easily when not in use. The combination of durable steel construction and a cozy memory foam mattress means this foldable bed is ready to help you host guests or make your adventures a little more comfortable. With this bed, you'll be prepared for anything life throws at you. Number 2, Lucid Rollaway Guest Bed, our pick for best heavy-duty rollaway bed. Are you looking for a guest bed that can comfortably accommodate your Aunt Edna after those indulgent holiday feasts? The Lucid Rollaway Folding Guest Bed is designed with a heavy-duty frame that supports up to 350 pounds, making it a reliable choice for your friends and family. Even Uncle Joe's jokes won't weigh it down. The mattress is crafted with medium firmness, ideal for heavier bodies, featuring an inch of plush memory foam atop 3 inches of supportive foam that cradles you like a soft cloud. Plus, the breathable bamboo rayon cover helps manage temperature, ensuring a cozy sleep environment, even during warm nights. Just keep in mind that the mattress may have a slight off-gassing smell at first, so it's wise to let it air out before your guests arrive. When it comes to convenience, this bed folds up neatly for easy storage, and you won't need any special tools to set it up, making your life easier when unexpected visitors show up. However, while its low profile is perfect for kids, elderly guests might need a little help getting in and out. In short, the Lucid Rollaway Folding Guest Bed is an excellent solution for accommodating overflow guests and providing a comfortable space for afternoon naps. With this bed, you can ensure everyone has a restful night's sleep, because we all know how important that is after a big meal. Number 1, Milliard Deluxe Diplomat, our pick for best rollaway bed overall. If you're in search of a rollaway bed that combines practicality with comfort, the Milliard Deluxe Diplomat folding bed might just be the perfect choice for you. While it comes with a higher price tag, its robust features make it worth the investment. With a sturdy steel frame that can support up to 300 pounds, this bed is designed to accommodate most adults, ensuring a restful night's sleep. The bed includes a 5-inch twin mattress, which offers you a bit more room to move around than traditional cots. You'll likely appreciate the comfort it provides thanks to its 3.5-inch base foam and a 1.5-inch memory foam layer that cradles your body throughout the night. Plus, the mattress is CertaPur US certified, meaning you can trust that it's free from harmful chemicals and ozone depleters. When it comes to maintenance, the polyester cover is machine washable, making cleanup a breeze. The bed is easy to transport, equipped with wheels for effortless movement from one room to another, even though it weighs 57 pounds, making it the heaviest on our list. For convenient storage, the folding design secures with a quick close latch, allowing you to tuck it away discreetly when not in use. Invest in the Milliard Deluxe Diplomat folding bed and enjoy a versatile sleeping option that prioritizes your comfort and well-being. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which rollaway bed you're going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.